Retired Major General Evaristo Dzihwema, one of Zimbabwe's senior retired military officers, has died. He was 63. Dzihwema passed away on Thursday in India, where he had been receiving medical treatment. Sanabira mashikobranji wachinzi General Dzihwema dies. Panguva ino achijoina a series and a number of the ZDF brigadiers and generals, especially those who took part in the 2017 transition. Panguva ino achitsakatika brigadier by brigadier. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. His death was announced by Commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Walter PANE. In a statement, Director of Army Public Relations Colonel Wellingwe Dube said, the Commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Walter PANE, regrets to announce the untimely death of Major General retired Evaristo Dzihwema. Major General retired Dzihwema passed away on 20 June 2026 in India. He was 63. Colonel Dube said the late retired Major General is survived by his wife, Alice Dzihwema, and 3 children. She added that mourners are gathered at house number 5535 Simre Park in Rua, while funeral and burial arrangements by announced in due course. Dzihwema was among a generation of senior Zimbabwe National Army officers whose careers spanned both the liberation struggle era and post-independence military service. Although retired from active service, he remained one of the country's recognized senior military figures. His death comes at a time when Zimbabwe continues to witness growing public interest in the fate of several former senior military and liberation war figures associated with the November 2017 military intervention that ended former President Robert Mugabe's 37-year-old rule and ushered President Mnangagwa into office. Since 2017, several prominent military commanders, war veterans, and senior ruling party figures who played influential roles during the political transition have died after illnesses or other causes. These include former Foreign Affairs Minister and retired Lieutenant General Sibusisio Moyo, retired Air Marshal Perence Shiri, retired Major General Paradise Zimond, and more. Recently, former Deputy Defense Minister and Ambassador Victor Matimadanda, while official statements attributed most of these deaths to illness or natural causes. Their passing is frequently generated speculation on social media, largely because of Zimbabwe's opaque political environment and the absence of detailed public disclosures regarding some illness. Tomba developments are kuda pangwa ine. Kana comment section medu za fungu enyi matu bipa msepichi tukwechi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.